Suppose in a company we have 1,000 leads, and just to be safe, leads are potential customers or potential clients. So suppose we initially have 1,000 leads, and 700 of them are contracted, 500 qualified, and 300 proposals are sent, and in the end, 150 leads are closed. That is, now we can work with 150 leads out of the initial 1,000. So this is a step-by-step decrease in each stage. And funnel chart is best for visualizing step-by-step processes where values decrease at each stage. So to obtain this funnel chart for this kind of data, select the data, go to Insert tab, recommended charts, and funnel chart is there. Okay, so that's how I obtained, and I changed the title to "Is Our Lead Conversion Good?" So in this case, 150 out of the 1,000 initial one is a little bit not good. It's not good. So that's basically it for funnel chart.